notebook. So take out that and in your CW copy mention date, okay, and write this question. I have whatever you have to write in your copy, I have written on the board. You can note it down from here like this. First question is write backward counting from 500 to 1. So when you are doing backward counting or number counting, use separate box for separate digits, okay. Suppose here you have written 500, so write 5 here in one box, 0 in another box and another 0 in another box, and don't forget to mention this H2O. So H for 100, T for tens and O for 1. So right, when there is 3-digit number you have to mention H2O, but when you are doing 2-digit number, then on that time you have to mention T and O. Okay. Now look at the board. So backward counting means piche na. Okay. Backward means piche na. Now we are in 500. Now we will go backward. So piche line from 500, then 499, 498, 497, 496, 495, 494, 493, 492, 491, 490. Then in the next line again mention H2O. Then after that, after 490, 489, 488, 487, 486, 485, 484, 483, 482, 481, 480. So in this way you have to do rest of the part. So here I have written up to 480. After 480 what will come? After 480, 479, then 478, then 477, 476, 475, 474, 473, 472, 471, 470, then 469, 468, 467, 466, 465, 464, 463, 462, 461, 460. In this way you have to write from 500 to 1. Okay. So this this backward counting from 500 to 1 in your CW and in your HW, both the copies. Okay. Now we will do the table of 5. So we have already done up to table of 4. Yes. So have you learned all the tables from 2 to 4? Have you learned it? If you learned it, then very good. Those who haven't learn it. It's very important for doing maths. Okay. Now today we are going to learn the table of 5 and the table of 6. First we will start with table of 5. So here it is written 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So when we use this table, instead of what we use, we can use this multiplication, or we can use this table instead of addition, right? To make it easy, we can use this table. So now we are doing the table of 5. Now who can say that how many boxes I have to draw? And on that box, how many balls I have to draw? Yes. So first we are doing number 1. So I have to draw one box. And on that box, how many balls? 5 balls. Why? Because we are doing the table of 5. So in one box we have to draw 5 balls. So one box, 5 balls. That is 5 ones are 5. Okay? There is no other box. That means we don't need to add anything. That means what will be the answer? 5. Now here we will have to do 2. So how many boxes we have to draw? 2 boxes. And each box have how many balls? 5 balls. That means 5 plus 5, 10. That means 5 twos are 10. Okay. Here we have 3. That means we have to draw 3 boxes, and in each box we have to draw 5 balls. That means 5 threes are 15. When you add these balls, you will get the answer. Okay. Then 5 fours are. Here how many boxes we have to draw? 4 boxes, and each box have how many balls? 5 balls. Why? Because we are doing the table of 5. So 5 fours are 20. Now suppose the question is 5 into 8. Now how many boxes we have to draw? 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls, and each box have how many balls? 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have drawn how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. We have drawn 8 boxes, and each box have how many balls? 5 balls. That means 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 25 plus 5 how much? 30. Wait, just a minute. Yeah, it's done. Now, again we will count, okay? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. That means if we will add all these balls, we will get the answer 40. But instead of adding, we will do the multiplication. We have 5 balls, that's why we will get 5, and we are doing multiplication. So instead of plus sign, we have to put this multiplication sign, and there are how many boxes? 8 boxes. So that's why we are written 8. So 5 into 8 equals to 40. 5 plus 8 equals to 8 boxes and 5 balls. That means altogether they have 40 balls. Okay. In this way, we can do these sums. Now, learn the table of 5. Again, repeat with me the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay? Now, you have to learn all the table from 2 to 5. Now, we will do table of 6. Now here again we can use the same process. Here we have 1, so that's why we have to draw 1 box. Here we are doing which table? Table of 6. So for that, how many balls we have to draw? 6 balls, right? So we have drawn 6 balls. There is no other box, that means only we have 6, right? Now here we have 5. So how many boxes we have to draw? 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And each box has how many balls? 6 balls. Why? Because we are doing the table of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, for this 5 box, we have written 5 here, and when we are doing multiplication, and for this balls, we have written 6 balls, what will be the answer? Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we got the answer 30. If we add all these balls, we will get the answer 30. But instead of addition, what we will do? We will do the multiplication. So for that, what we have to write? First we have to put the number of balls here. 6, we have written 6 for the balls, and we have to put the multiplication sign. Then for this box we have written 5. For this 5 box we have written 5. That means 6 into 5 equals to 30. So in this way you have to we use this multiplication instead of addition. Okay. So now repeat with me the table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. So learn these two tables properly. Okay, and do this thing in your copy, in both CW and SW copy. Okay. Now we will do another sums, that is skip counting by 4 and 5 and writing rows from 100 to 200. Okay, now we will do skip counting by 4. So we have to skip 4 numbers. Okay. So our first question is 4 dash 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 20. So from 4 we will skip 4 numbers. Then the answer what we will get, we have to write here. So from 4, if you skip 4 numbers, then what will be the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Then from 8 again you have to skip 4 numbers. That means 9, 10, 11, 12. So from 12 again you have to skip 4 numbers. Then where we will reach? 13, 14, 15, 16. So from 16, if you skip more 4 numbers, you will get 20. Okay. So now next question, 28. Here again we have to skip how many numbers? 4 numbers. So from 28, if you skip 4 numbers, you will reach where? 29, 30, 31, 32. So the answer is 32. So from 32 again we have to skip 4 numbers. So from 32 if you skip again 4 numbers, that means 33, 34, 35, 36. You will get 36. Then again we have to skip 4 numbers from 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So from we will get the answer 40. So from 40 if you skip another 4 numbers, you will get 44. Now our third question is 32 dash 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 48. So from 32 we have to skip 4 numbers. That means 33, 34, 35, 36. Then from 36 again we have to skip another 4 numbers. Then we will reach where? 37, 38, 39, 40. So from 40 again you have to skip the numbers. How many numbers? 4 numbers. So from 40 if you skip 4 numbers, then what will be the answer? 41, 42, 43, 44. So from 44 if you skip another 4 numbers, you will get 48. Then number 4 question is 44 dash 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 60. So from 44 you have to skip how many numbers? 4 numbers. So from 44 if you skip 4 numbers, what will be the answer? 45, 46, 47, 48. So the answer is 48. So from 48 again you have to skip another 4 numbers. Then you will reach 49, 50, 51, 52. So from 52 if you have to skip another 4 numbers. Then what will be the answer? 53, 54, 55, 56. So from 56 if you skip another 4 numbers, you will get 16. Number 5. 12 dash 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 28. So from 12, how many numbers we have to skip? 4 numbers. That means after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If you skip 4 numbers, you will get 16. From 16, if you skip 4 numbers, what you will get? 17, 18, 19, 20. Then from 20, if you skip another 4 numbers, what will be the answer? 24. And from 24, if you skip another 4 numbers, you will get 28. Okay? In this way, you have to do the skip counting by 4. Now we will do skip counting by 5. So first question is 5 dash 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 25. So from 5, we have to skip how many numbers? 5 numbers. So from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you skip 5 numbers from 5, then you will get 10. So from 10, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 15. So from 15, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 20. So from 20, if you skip another 5, you will get 25. Okay. Now question number 2, 10 dash 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 30. So from 10, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 15. So from 15, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 20. From 20, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 25. And from 25, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 30. Now question number 3. Here the question is 35 dash 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 55. So from 35, if you skip 5 numbers, you will get 40. From 40, if you skip 5 numbers, you will get 45. From 45, if you skip 5 numbers, you will get 50. Now question number 4. Number is 40 dash 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 60. So here again we have to skip how many numbers? 5 numbers. So from 40, if you skip 5 numbers, you will get how much? 45. From 45, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 50. From 50, if you skip another 5 numbers, you will get 55. Now last question is 15 dash 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 35. From 15, if you skip 5 numbers, you will get 20. 20. From 20, if you skip 5, you will get 25. And from 25, if you skip another 5, you will get 30. Okay, so in this way you have to do skip counting by 5 and skip counting by 4. Okay. Now write this in your copy and mention the date in your both, and do this in both CW and HW copy. And next question is write in words from 100 to 200. You have to write the spelling from 100 to 200. Okay. So like this, you have to write 100 equals to, what is the spelling of 100? O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 100. Then what is this? 101. Spelling of 101 is, first write the spelling of 1, then 100, then 1. O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, O-N-E, 1. Then 102. O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, T-W-O, 2. 103, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, T-H-R-W-3. 104, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, F-O-U-R 4. 105, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, F-I-V-E 5. 106, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, S-I-X 6. 107, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, S-E-V-E-N 7. 108, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, E-I-G-H-T 8. 109, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, N-I-N-E 9. And 110, O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, T-E-N 10. I have written from 100 to 110, but you have to write from 100 to 200 in this way. Okay. So this you have to write this in your both the copies, CW and HW, both the notebook. So that's all for today. Thank you.